वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ कहते हैं कि हमारे अफसर और जवान अपने अवाम के महफूज मुस्तकबिल के लिए जानों का नजराना दे रहे हैं। दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ जंग में 80,000 लोग शहीद और मैशत को $3 अरब का नुकसान हुआ। हुकूमत और अफवाज पाकिस्तान दहशतगर्दी के खात्मे के लिए पुरआज़म हैं। वो पाकिस्तान नेवल वॉर कॉलेज लाहौर में खिताब कर रहे थे।
We have had various meetings in the recent past of Apex Committee and at various levels, and it is a iron resolve of the government of Pakistan, along with armed forces and all law enforcing agencies. Our officers, our jawans, they pay a huge price by laying their life for Pakistan's defense, Pakistan's peace. By 2018, terrorism was defeated holistically. Allah Almighty, through His infinite mercy, has rewarded Pakistan with infinite natural resources. They run into trillions of dollars. And yet, today, we are hugely undermined by huge borrowings, loans.